All right, so welcome back. All right, so welcome back. Welcome back to this channel. So, in this video, right, we are going to learn about some applications or some libraries or some APIs which we could use to deploy our models and to deploy our models very fastly and with very less effort. You don't have to learn web development and all that to build web apps. There are uh, many websites through which we could build ML applications. Let's say you have a wonderful ML idea, machine learning model. Let's say after building the model, if you want to deploy it for further use for everyone to use, you could use one of these websites to launch your application, whatever your ML application actually is. You could just create a Python script calling, let's say, a specific trained model. Let's say your trained model, it's H5 or something. You could just call that trained model and just write a Python script accessing that and taking some input and all that, and you could actually host that application and host that model inside through these platforms. So there are two platforms that I want to share. We have already used Anvil. Uh, it's actually relatively it is relatively less famous than the Streamlit. It is relatively less famous than Streamlit. So through the Anvil also you could build power easily. You could build like ML applications for like free. Just register, just go to anvil.works, and you can sign in with Google and select your account, whatever whatever your account is. You can select an account and directly and very easily you could just create an application. I'll just show you how. Right, just select whatever just select whatever app you want, and you can also select the format, the design also is actually quite good. Online shop, survey form, banking manager, and all that. And also you could just connect this to like Jupyter notebook. Like if you have like a even Colab, if you have like Google Colab, you can just connect it. I think I've already developed like one application, not a very sophisticated one, but like, did I do it or probably not? Run here. Yeah, so this is my application that I've built. You could just provide any passage and ask a question. I think it'll work. I'll just try. I just you can just provide any passage, like huge amounts of length. It doesn't matter. But I'll just I'll just do that. I think answer. Yeah. So yeah, it seems like it's not working. Maybe I have just like disabled something. Yeah, but it doesn't matter. So yeah, you could use this to generate like new application. You could just click on select blank app, and you could specify the design you want, right? Material design, rally, and all that. You could just select anything, and you could just have build like a very good application with like adding forms and all that. Right, you could just do the front end for like free, just picking up and selecting the things. So this is Anvil. Through this you could build applications, and also I think yeah. So this is a code. This is the form, and you could just design this, and we'll have a specific code here that will be wrote. So you have to like so you can just design it, and the code will automatically be created. And after that, they have a uh, library called Anvil, and you could, let's say, have a Jupyter notebook in which you have running this file or a Google Colab file, and you can just open this in Google Colab. You can just import Anvil. You can first have to download Anvil, pip install Anvil, just a simple command prompt statement, and after that you could access or you could just connect that Google Colab to Anvil, and whatever code you have written, you have to specify a function and just matches them up here, and it'll work. I'll probably make a video in the future. I think I have already done a video. The application that I've just previously showed you. We have built that together in the YouTube channel, so make sure to check that out if you are interested. So that is Anvil. That is the thing. So this is Streamlit. Even I haven't tried it a lot of times, but right? It also has its own library. I think this is more famous than Anvil. So you can just use this to like build better applications, I think. So you can just right yeah. So easily, very simply, right? You can just create a Streamlit application and just specify the text, let's say, and the chart, and also I think there are like bunch of variables and all that, right? And also you could deploy instantly, easily deploy some instantly. And these are some examples. These are some examples that are example websites that have been created using Streamlit. Let's say BERT keyword extractor just got my attention. I'll just see what that is. I'll just Google, right? So this is a application, example application built with Streamlit, right? It's actually very good. Yeah. So, but that leverages multiple NLP embeddings and real also to get keywords and script that are more similar to um, a document. So let's say we just paste in a paragraph about let's say hmm, what is blockchain, let's say. So yeah, it's a blockchain technology. So about blockchain technology, let's just paste like a maybe like paragraph or something. Yeah, let's put that. Let's just try it. I mean, it's not related to this video. I haven't decided to do this, but and I'll just do it anyway. Oh, so yeah. So we are getting like keyword and key phrases, and it is actually giving some accuracies or relevance. Sorry, actually accuracy is a very bad word in this context. So yeah, so it is giving some relevant words, right? So 47% relevancy. It's cryptocurrency in Bitcoin. Yeah. So yeah, there are some very related words, and we have words like source developers, malicious actors, cybercrime, and all that. And it's actually very good. It's able to extract the important keywords of a specific paragraph, even though they don't have to be appearing many times. It still finds it because it's an AI model, right? So that is Streamlit, and I think you just sign in through your account. Then yeah, I mean, I haven't tried it yet. But I'm ready. But I'm really am. So you can actually connect it, I think, to GitHub account. Um, yeah, we can just put one password and like even connect this to GitHub. I think yeah. So I think we will be writing code in GitHub, right? We could just use like the Git versioning and write code, and after that we could connect it to Streamlit, and I think we could just build applications and call this for libraries. So remember this library, a Streamlit library, and just I think they have a bunch of functions through which we could create a bunch of forms and all that, and therefore easily build applications using simple Python, and it's actually quite good, right? It's quite good that we can develop applications with pure machine learning, pure software development rather than any um, front end or front end development, right? So that is Streamlit, right? So these are some applications you could use to deploy your own applications. I just want to share this because I think uh, if you are if you have been following me, and or if you are pretty pretty good in the field of deep learning, I would definitely like encourage you to like build applications, because if you have any idea in machine learning, just collect the data through Kaggle or something. There are many websites through which you could collect many much more data, whatever you are training. And moreover, even you don't even have to train your own model. You can just fine tune it on like very little data using powerful models, Llama and all that. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.